Hey traders, just wanted to do a quick analysis, but the analysis is kind of different. It's not like one particular asset that we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at 5 different ones, and they're just altcoins, and they're really random, and it's just coins I see a little bit of promise in potential price action running to the upside, okay? Because, we've been talking about these coins have just been getting beaten down for like over a year, and now a lot of them are showing tons of exhaustion. Okay, so just getting into it real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. In cash, all right, in cash is the number one, I guess number one in this video. Okay, so incessant selling for a long time, like Raven Coin, like KNC, like Dash, like them all. April, right, of 2018, you sold off. You finally got out of the downsloping channel. You kept selling off, but the selling wasn't as intense, and that means selling pressure is tapering off, meaning you're just running out of sellers. And so now we're kind of flatlining, and we're also showing divergence, bullish divergence on a daily time scale. So falling wedge breakout, and really you can on the daily see a discernible swing high from the top of the pattern, high to low. And so you'd be looking for a retrace sometime in the future. You're looking between at least 75 satoshis and 95 618. So I do like it. I like the coinciding variables that we always talk about in here. Let's see if Encash can connect. Encash connect. All right, 200-day moving average is at 61 sats, right near that 236. So a shallow retrace is still in order. All right, we have not even gotten that yet. So cross your fingers for Encash. Looks maybe poised to break the upside. Next one's XRP to BTC. We just did a video on it. Okay, it seems like it's wanting to go down to maybe that. I mean, we're still right at that area. So we've now retraced 65% of the way. Overwhelming bullish divergence on both oscillators. You're still getting it. Let's see. Yep, it's still there, but you just keep bleeding out. All right, and so we know where we are now is either a good entry, or if things just don't work out with our theory of the divergence, 786 is the optimum entry, okay, because that is like the textbook. All right, so textbook entry for the 786 is right around 7,065 sats, which, crazy enough, someone brought up last night. I can't remember who it was. I want to give them a shout out, but look left, you have that April of 2018, April 2018 support, and he was talking about potential inverse head and shoulders. I mean, dude, this could be a huge inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, double head, right shoulder down here. So, and it would line up perfectly with a bullish cipher pattern. So look out for 7,065. If we can't hold here, we get stopped out. We take another entry down here at 7,000 area. All right, so that's XRP to BTC. Awesome, man. All right, metal, dude. Like, what's metal, dude? I don't even know, man. But I'm just saying we're on the verge of potentially breaking the upside. Look, huge impulse down, like stupid selling, and then you form a structure, a downsloping structure, which after an impulse, I'm sorry to say, is not proper consolidation. Normally when you sell off like that, you're looking to retrace to the upside. When you consolidate, you want to consolidate contrasting the impulse, and we're going with it. So that's not healthy, and that shows forms of exhaustion. As you can see, we're double bottoming down here, and now we're running the upside. We're at the very top of this down sloping structure, okay? So if we broke out, targets would be from the high point of the structure to the low point. The 100% retrace, this is just a typical textbook bump and run kind of trade setup. All right, so if you broke out, you're looking for the 100% retrace, and the secondary target would be from the high point to low point, the 1272, 127.2% retrace at 1683 sats. Again, 100% retrace is 1449 sats. We'll see if we can get there, man. Look, on the daily time scale, you are about to get a daily golden cross, all right, on metal, and it wasn't because of some stupid pump to the upside and dump, right? It's kind of been methodical, and how we finally caught up with that 200-day moving average. And I'll tell you this, the last time we even touched the 200-day moving average was, guess what? Early May of 2018. So going on close to a year now. We haven't even seen or touched the 200, and now we are. Wow, metal. Keep your eye on it, man. Keep your eye on it. Okay, Verge, man. Verge Connect. Incessant selling, right? No structure until now. We finally got some structure, just selling off all year. April 2018, dumpster fire, but now look where we are. Why are we getting exhausted. Well, there's actually some sort of scrubby support. There was no support on the way down until here we are. And we have that magenta trend lines, the horizontal lines signify that. And here you go, man, just improper consolidation, right? You remember, what are we supposed to do when we have an impulse down? We're supposed to have upsloping consolidation, contrast the impulse. But here, getting tired, man, and you're getting close to the apex. You're probably about 85 to 90% of the way to the maturation of this potential little triangle we have on our hands, right? 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then just 1 and 2 and 3 on the top, and then, but it's a channel as well, right? So it's just a exhaustion flag, and so break to the upside, you could yield you way up to 279 sats, right? Same type of bump and run trade setup, okay? And guess what? Verge, just like metal and like many others, the last time we even touched the 200-day moving average was in late May of 2018. Here we are. We're finally flirting with it again. Wow. Holy crap, dude. You remember, is that it, man? No, one more. Okay, one more OST. All right, on the daily, we got OST, incessant selling. You finally made higher lows, and now you're forming price contraction. Very, very close to a daily golden cross. These things, it broke out of the downsloping structure. Anchor point 1 up here, 2, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom. All right, and 5 on the bottom. And now we're out. Things look poised to make a move to the upside, and just bread and butter. We don't have to use fibs. We can just say from the tallest part of the triangle, the measure move puts you at 1190 sats. All right, so that's my top 5 crypto altcoins, right? Whatever. And I don't know. Don't worry about the title, man. It's just. But if you enjoyed this video on the top 5 potential altcoin setups, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Please leave a comment in the description below. I would really appreciate it. It's engagement. It's all about the YouTube algos. All right, so please give me some feedback. But I really appreciate y'all, and I'll be live in just a little bit. Check me out if you're a new sub on live stream, because that's primarily what I do. Until next time, respect the TA.